Hi everyone, good morning. I want to quickly introduce you to this new airdrop called Delta Coin. Right now that I'm making this video is not up to 100,000 people mining it yet. The app is not yet on Play Store, but you can download the app through their Telegram channel, the APK file. Then you install it on your phone. So just pay attention to the video, the process of how I did my through the next video you are going to watch, so that you will be able to join right now. And of course, the airdrop, from what I've seen so far and from what I've read, it's going to be like PI. So if you meet SPY and other coins, you can quickly join this one. Thank you. If you click on the refer channel, click on the Telegram icon so that you join the Telegram channel. From there, you download the APK file into your phone. Allow your Telegram to install apps on your phone. When you are done downloading the file, then install it. If you install it, you wait for it to open. Now you can open the file, then select your country, put your phone number, your WhatsApp phone number is a must, WhatsApp phone number. Then up there you have to put your refer code, which is where you copy the refer code, my refer code, and put there so that you'll be able to get your refer bonus. Then you put your nickname, then click on next. When you click on next, click on get, click on global resources, right? Then click that Hong Kong number. The global resources, if you are clicking on it, is to enable you to get your message on WhatsApp. Then if you click on it, copy this message, then click on that icon of send. Choose WhatsApp, click on that icon of send, open your WhatsApp. The message will automatically be copied there. Then you go back, click on I've sent the message, then confirm it. Wait for the system to confirm it. Yes, you are there. So you are in. So that's my own referral bonus. It's just one. Then you click there for you to start mine. You click on mine. Once you click on mine, you have started mining. So every day you will earn 10 Delta coin every day. Click every 24 hours. Do fast and start mining this. I will be back for more updates regarding this coin. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy your mining phase. Bye.